Hi, today I am very happy to introduce Sheetal. So Sheetal is having a YouTube channel where he is teaching gate mechanical, and if you have any of your friends who are interested in writing gate in mechanical stream, you could definitely refer this channel. Okay, so he will introduce himself and he will tell you about his YouTube channel and the classes that he is teaching. Okay.
Hello everyone, myself Sheetal Bansal. I am 2013 batch pass out as a BTech Mechanical Engineering. After that I joined Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, and after that I wrote GATE exam and joined Hindustan Petroleum. Right, in that 2014 I got 29 rank in the engineering services, and now I am uploading the videos for the students who are preparing for GATE 2021 and for other PSUs or other exams. I am uploading the videos or on the GATE channel, that is GATE Mechanical Engineering by Sheetal Bansal. Also we have a website, that is www.gatevidya.com, where all the course curriculum, your previous year questions will be there, and we are also launching the test series for the students who are preparing for GATE 2021. As you people knows that there is a notification, recent notification came from the IITs for the GATE 2021, in which third year students are also eligible to write the GATE. So that is a golden opportunity for the third year students to write the GATE in the third year, and they can go for the PSUs or MTech after the final year. So that is a very golden opportunity. We will cover each and every subject in detail with the numericals, starting from the basics to the numericals which will be asked up to the level of GATE. Right, we are also covering all the previous year questions which they asked in the previous year in GATE, or some good questions if whether they will ask in the some good PSU exams or in engineering services exam. We are covering all those topics. And also we have a live session during our course. We have a live session in which I personally clear all your doubts regarding your preparation, regarding if you have any doubts with some subject or with some concept, then we will clarify through the live sessions. Also we have a sport team with us for the mechanical students, and if you have any query you can write to us, you can mail to us, and we have also a that YouTube channel. You can comment on that videos if you have any doubt. Our support team will definitely reply you as soon as possible. So we are launching this course for the GATE mechanical aspirants, whether it will be 2021 or 2022 if you are a third year student. So, and also we have a Facebook page. You can contact us, or you can subscribe to our channel of YouTube, so that you will be get updated through our course. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you all. And please ask your friends if they are preparing for mechanical to subscribe to his Sheetal Bansal's channel and prepare for mechanical. Okay. So we are introducing test series for mechanical, electronics and civil. So you can follow our website gatevidya.com. There we are going to put all the details about the test series. In case your friends are interested in taking a test series from other branches, you can please let them know about this. Okay, it is gatevidya.com. Okay, so we have in test series, one is topic wise test, and the other one is subject test and multi subject test, as well as grand test. So all these tests will be covered in this, in this test series. So the website is gatevidya.com, and the streams that we are targeting now is electronics, mechanical and civil. If you have your friends, you please inform them. Okay, thank you.